have forgotten who you are, and so forgotten me. Look inside yourself, Simba. You are more than what you have become. You must take your place in the circle of life.
How can I go back? I'm not who I used to be.
You are my son, the one true king.
No! Please! Don't leave me! Father! Don't leave me.
I was so afraid of becoming my dad. Mostly because I thought I never could. How do you become someone that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess you can only try. A chief protects his own. We're going back.
With what?
He took all the dragons.
Not all of them.